Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a healthy spinach cake. But first I'd like to tell you something. In my videos I plan to use no sugar because it is not healthy, and if we need to add sweetness to the dessert I'm making, we'll use healthy alternatives like honey, dates syrup and raisins. Now let's begin. First you put into your blender 1 handful of fresh spinach or 3 frozen spinach cubes. You add half a glass of warm water, half a glass of olive oil, 2 eggs, and 1.5 glasses of flour. Also 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And baking powder is used to make the cake rise. Now you blend it until it is a liquid. When you have blended your mixture, you pour it into your tray. When you have put the mixture into your tray, you insert it into your heated oven for 10 minutes at 150 degrees. When you have taken your spinach cake out of the oven, you cut it with a cup. When you have cut up your spinach cake, you transfer it onto a plate. When you have put the spinach cake on your plate, you get 1/2 and put 2 teaspoons of jam. You spread it out and put the other half on top. When you have put the filling inside your spinach cake, you dip it in some jam. The jam we use is 50% fruit content. Then you dip it in some coconuts before transferring it onto your plate. When you have put the coconut on the edges, if you want, you can decorate it with some jam and walnuts and raisins. We use walnuts and raisins because they are very healthy, and that's what we aim to do in our videos. With the excess cake, you crumble it because we are going to make some spinach cake spheres. When you have mixed the mixture, you take some and curl it into a ball. When you have curled it, you dip it in some coconut and then transfer it onto your plate. You do the same with all of them. I like this dessert so much because it is so healthy and has absolutely no sugar, and we use the sweetness from the jam, raisins and walnuts. And now my brother has a poem to tell you about this dessert.
Hello guys, because I really enjoy this dessert as it is healthy, I have written a poem about it. Spinach cake. This is a really healthy cake and it's not very hard to make. This cake uses lots of spinach. A good decoration gives it the finish. Spinach has vitamin A and K. This cake boosts you during the day. This dessert is sugar-free. You will enjoy this with your tea.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification and like this video.
And please comment on what you want us to do next. Thank you.